A lot of people out there think that you need a boat to go fishing or to catch more fish. Being on a boat allows you to travel to many places you would not be able to fish from shore, and you can definitely cover a lot more water. And sometimes, the only way you can fish a spot is from a boat.
Like one of my dream fish right there.
Don't get me wrong, I enjoy it a lot, and it's honestly a ton of fun, especially if you got a few buddies. However, a lot of fishermen out there have something that makes them tick, and mine has been wading. Whether that's wet wading in the summer or throwing the bibs on when it's cold, wading gives you a million different opportunities to explore and travel rivers that might not even be accessible with a kayak. Slowly walking through the current, making casts at every rock, and taking Mother Nature in for all her glory without any luxuries of electronics or motors. Yo! Do you want to fish today?
I'm good. For the waterfall.
Yeah.
There's a trail that goes over by it.
If that doesn't work, I mean, we can just spot hop today and find them.
Alright.
We could put the waders. Oh, I'm on. What is that? Yeah. Oh, it's a pike. Haha, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, it's a healthy one too, dude. Nice. Wow, this one's beautiful, man. Look at how pretty this guy is. First fish of the day. It's a little pike. Not really what we're going after, but we don't care. This is a beautiful fish. Really healthy too. Look at those colors on him. Very silvery compared to what these pike usually look like. I don't know if you can look at his back here. That's just so cool looking. Cool, dude. This is what I'm talking about. Cool spots like this. Away from everyone, everything. It's so peaceful. And there also happens to be fish here. It's just awesome. I love this sort of stuff. No way. Oh, no way, come on.
I told you.
I'm stuck though. No!
I told you.
Dude, what? Oh no, that was a better one, dude. Damn it. Come on. Nice, sir. What is that? Smallie? Yes, dude. Get up here, little buddy. Let's go.
The view.
First of the year, dude. My first smallmouth bass of the year. Just a little guy. That is so awesome, though. It's actually got, look at that right there. He actually got chomped on by something not too long ago.
Ooh, super red eyes on this guy.
Yeah, that is a red eye.
Nice little fish. There's just stacked back in that little pocket there.
Yeah. That's so insane, dude. Look at that eye. So awesome.
On the custom.
Hey!
Custom
shout
like
out right
made me.
Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, it's better. This is so fun. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a better one. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's right here. Nice. Sick. Here is a little nicer of a fish. We know that there's pretty nice fish in here. This one, there's probably a couple in here that are probably 3 times the size as this one, but it feels so nice to finally be catching these fish again. After so long waiting all winter, we're here in the rivers again doing what we do best. It's freaking awesome, man. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, that is nice.
Nice little guy. A little bit of a nicer one.
Yeah, dark too. Those colors. See those darker stripes on it.
Beautiful fish.
They always just launch like missiles.
Crazy.
Riley and I have been in here now for 2 hours, maybe. This is a blast. It's been so long since we've done this. Feels so good. Dude, it looked huge. What is that?
Is that catfish?
Nuh-uh.
No, I think it's a carp.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's
No! It's a cat!
It is
It's a cat, dude! And a nice one, too.
Heck yeah. Nice channel.
Do we want him in the net? Or do you want to just drag him up here? We can get him in the net, dude. Just bring him to me. I don't know if it's... Dude, this net might not be big enough. Yeah. Just...
Holy crap.
You got him? Are you just gonna drag him? Dude! What? That's insane!
You hit it twice.
That is insane. I
kinda
knew it
hoping
looked
was
kind of
like-
different, dude.
That's nuts.
That is hilarious.
Last thing I was expecting. Nice little channel.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. That's hilarious. Out of a river like this, flowing so hard. That's insane, dude. Wow.
That's funny.
Yeah, right on the corner of its mouth. These catfish have these little whiskers for feeling the bottom, feeling prey and stuff. But they also don't have the worst eyesight. And sometimes, if they want to, they'll chase something down. This is really cool, dude.
Sweet little bycatch.
Yeah.
Did not expect that at all. I was hoping it was like a 5-pound smallie,
I know.
but
It's 5 pounds, all right.
yeah,
Just not the right.
not the right species.
No. Still really cool though. There she goes. Riley and I are back. It is Monday. We're here after work. I made a very big mistake yesterday. Somewhere on the river, I dropped or lost what came out of my bag somehow, my GoPro. So we're back trying to look for it. We don't have a lot of time, and we brought our rods, obviously, because it'd be pretty stupid to come here and not bring our rods. But our main mission is find my GoPro.
We didn't come out here. We came.
Are you
came
sure?
Out farther back, yeah. 'Cause remember, it was at the end of the trail. Popped up onto the trail. Oh yeah, 'cause remember right here, there's that tree that.
Is that
stabbed
tree?
you.
Where did we go?
This bent over tree right here is the one that stabbed.
Ow. Where?
You. Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, this one right here. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, dude, it literally could have fallen out anywhere around here. Because like we're ducking and dodging, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Off to find a GoPro. Did you actually? No way. You found it, dude? Already? No way.
Right here,
Dude.
laying in the mud.
No way,
It
dude.
must have fell out while you're ducking under these branches or something.
Let's go,
Sweet.
buddy.
Time to fish.
Time to fish. Let's go, dude. That's so awesome. I'm putting this in my bag. Oh my gosh.
Just put it in the side pocket.
No. That's where I had it.
I know.
That's so insane. You are the best, bro. I thought you were kidding.
Dude, you go, oh, I would hope we don't have to walk too far. I look up and it's just sitting right here in the mud.
That's insane. Oh, thank God, Riley. You're the best. We can enjoy this beautiful, peaceful night on the river. Thanks to Riley over there. Let's go.
Glad it wasn't too far down.
Yeah, I agree. Unreal. The notion that you need to have a boat to have a successful day of fishing is one that's all dependent on who you ask, but personally, I enjoy exploring deep into the rivers, finding fish who most likely have never seen hooks, and seeing things you don't get to see on a daily basis. Boat or no boat, it's a good way to get out, explore, and get out of your comfort zone.